What's up, you guys? Back with another second gen video. 97 12 valve, 3500. Today we changing the hydraulics. We got a slave cylinder, new master, new reservoir, all going in pre-bled unit. So all we have to do is just remove the old slave and the setup and reinstall this new setup. So we're gonna go down underneath the truck. On the driver's side, you got 13 millimeter bolts. You got 2 of them. You're gonna tack them. 1, 2. We'll go down with you right now. All right, you guys, got my ratchet 13. Get underneath the truck. On the driver's side, don't mind the bad cab. Boom. Right here, on the driver's side, we got 1 bolt right there. Jesus. Camera right there. We got 1 bolt right there. Alright, that feels good. You're gonna back these 2 bolts out. After I'm done backing these out, I'm gonna pull out the unit, cut the zip tie so it could be free, pull out the unit, and then do the rest of the work up top. I'll get back to y'all. I just wanna show you guys that when you got the bolts out, all you gotta do is just remove them. I'm trying to do it with my hand. Take that last bolt out, and the slave should just come straight out like so. Just leave that right there. All right, now that we got that slave cylinder removed, I'm gonna pull this back right here so you can expose the bolts to your. Let me plug my fuel pressure sensor back on. Pull this back so you can access these 2 10 millimeters that's holding on the reservoir. Stumbling. And I didn't want that bolt to fall. No, it's a 10. I got spare of those. Being that that's off, I'm gonna go ahead and I have a 97 12 valve, so there's no bolts on this master cylinder. So we're gonna go ahead and twist her off like so. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Well, my sensor is holding it on. Don't be like me. Unplug your sensor, unclip it, get it off. All right, we got that unplugged. I'll get back to you when I get this out, but you get the idea. All right, so I started fishing the new unit down. see if I can find it. Jesus. Here it goes. Need to give myself some more slack. Should be more than enough now. I'm gonna go ahead and install the cylinder. Jesus. Alright, it was damn near impossible to do this with one hand, so I had to set you guys down, but we got it in. We got one bolt holding the reservoir for now till I go crazy looking for this one bolt that fell. But besides that, we gotta go back down and work on the slave cylinder. I think I found the bolt. Hold on. Oh yeah. It just fell some more, so I could probably get it from underneath. But let's go underneath so we can put on that sleeve. Fucking boat. But anyways, get this up in there. Get one on the guide. Wear goggles. Yeah, let's get our other boat. Let's catch that top one. I'm gonna get it hand tight. After you get it hand tight and just get a little snugged on the bolts, nothing crazy. You want to break the ears of your slave cylinder. This ratchet, put it on the on mode. I'm gonna have to set you guys up. I'm gonna snug this up. Get right back to you. All right, you guys, we're done down there. I actually found that bolt. So Let me put that back before I forget. Now for the final piece. Let's go ahead, get this rod up in there. Boom, it's popped. Get that lever on. Let's get that secret right there. Pop that on. Nice. Get some grease up on there. Real nice. Golden. We got our new pedal on. New hydraulics. Feels amazing. I've never owned the truck with this new pedal setup, and boom, we got movement. It's beautiful. It's kicking up nice and strong.